Guys, it's been an amazing 5 years, and it's a very, very tough decision for me, but this is my last week doing seminars. This is my last week in the seminar business. I'm going to pursue the ultimate dream that I always had, to be a comedian. Yeah, right. April Fool's Day. All right. I want to give you guys, in 60 seconds or less, something to think about in terms of your business and high performance. So come over here for a second. You've got to think, and I want you to answer this question. What is my number one thing? Now, what does this thing mean? This means, number one, what do you love to do? Like in your business, what are you passionately in love with doing on a day-to-day basis? And then your other number one thing is based on results. What is your number one skill? What do you love? What is your number one skill? Then I want you to answer that. Put that answer right here. Once you've got that, we have to take a look at the rest of your company. Once you've established your number one thing, right? Let's just say that your number one thing is sales, and you're an independent business owner. You're a one-man show right now, or a one-woman show. As your number one thing being sales, the challenge becomes that most business owners do everything. They do their accounting, they do their books, they cut their own grass, they wash their own car, they clean their own house. And all these tasky things keep you busy. So your number one talent is skills. If you can understand this is gonna blow your mind. If you can create, at minimum, if you're a business owner, if you can create $50 an hour, then anything that you can contract out that's less than $50 an hour, you do it, unless it's your number one thing. So for example, if you washed your own car and it takes you 3 hours to do a complete detail of your own car, forget that. Let's say it only takes you 2 hours. Nice wash, vacuum, you have it all cleaned up. If you do it, that's $50 an hour times 2, that's $100. Now, if you pay somebody to do it, right? If you pay somebody to go vacuum your car and wash it, you take it somewhere and they do it, there's many places where you can get it done for $50. So if you do it, it's 2 hours. If you pay somebody, it's 50. How much do you earn? You earn $50 at minimum because you take these 2 extra hours and you reinvest this time back into your business. You reinvest this time back to your number one thing, which is sales. How much is one sale worth to you? Think about that. If you can get 1 extra sale per month because you're just focusing on your number one thing, could you contract out everything that you do? Washing your car, cleaning your house, doing your bookkeeping, all these things, doing errands, driving around, these things that you think are business things to do, but they're keeping you busy. So imagine how many hours you would save if you don't have to grocery shop, all these things, and reinvest it to do your number one thing. I promise you, if you do it consistently and you leverage all these tasks, all the tasky shit, you can increase the sales in your business by at minimum 30% in 90 days if you follow that. Leverage is magic. Have a great April 3rd.